Warning! Please vow to keep this between us a secret. I discovered a hidden loophole that no one else is aware of, where you may earn anywhere from $200 to $3,000 without any ability or expertise. This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'll be showing you how you can turn some extra cash from home. They are a small number of people that secretly profit from this underground loophole every month that goes unnoticed. I inadvertently discovered this secret when discussing it with one of my friends. But just assure me that you will utilize this trick ethically. And once you've made money, please put it to good use and spend it wisely. This is the place to go if you're brand new to the internet and want to learn how to generate money quickly. Yes, it is completely free and works in every country on the planet. Keep an eye out for this video since it could be the one that changes your and your family's lives forever. With everything out of the way, let's get to the video. I'd like you to go to Moneypantrycom right now. When you visit this website, you will notice the following. Welcome to Money Pantry, where you'll find easy ways to make and save money online. You will find many different techniques and methods to make money online on this website and in this blog post. And I'd like to offer credit to the website's owner because this is a fantastic site with a wealth of information. Take a look at this now. You can earn money in a variety of ways. There are 81 valid ways to make money online and 150 legitimate work-from-home opportunities available right now. On this website, there are numerous opportunities to earn money, save money, and obtain numerous freebies. On Moneypantry.com, you may view it, get paid to write, and you will find over 100 companies offering to pay you anywhere from $50 to $3,000 per blog article. In this video, I'll teach you a unique and powerful approach for leveraging Google tricks to get everything done for you on autopilot. So all you have to do is collect the funds. When you come to this website, for example, you will find a variety of companies prepared to pay you money to create articles. For example, this company, Transition Abroad, right here on this page, is willing to pay you $150 for every blog post. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are literally hundreds of different companies eager to give you a lot of money. As you can see, even a single blog article might cost you up to $700. Now let me give you an example of how you may make money online by simply writing on Google using one of these companies. Sites that pay you to write about general interests can be found here. I chose this one to show you since writing about general interest is really straightforward. There isn't really any rivalry, and in a moment I'll show you where you can obtain free articles so you can get some inspiration and ideas, or simply copy and paste those that have already been written for you so you don't have to create anything. You do not need to write your own content and can just be compensated. Vibrantlifecom. This company, Vibrant Life, for example, is willing to pay you $100 to $300 per post. Very essential papers should now concentrate on a single issue and stick to it to the conclusion. Now, this is a really short article, only a few hundred words, but you can earn up to $300 for each post if you write it. It's a fantastic opportunity for fresh new novices from any country on the globe to make a lot of money. Now, I'd like to give you an example of how good the earnings are now. For example, I'd like to show you this website called Tax Broker. Now, this website pays you to write articles as well. But let me show you how the prices differ. Given the difference in the money you may make, for example, if you're writing articles for a tax broker, you'll get paid roughly $6 for a 600-word essay with 3-star characteristics. Right, very little money, $6 for 600 words. But for this website, Vibrant Life, which will pay you $100 to $300 per post, you just need to write 400 to 650 words. Let me now demonstrate the next step. This is what you'll copy and paste free articles from. For example, if you want to write on a topic of broad interest such as how to learn English, go to Quora.com, press the enter button, and you'll see a lot of different postings because Quora is a free forum where individuals may come and ask different questions. You may even answer the question, and Quora has a large number of posts. For instance, consider this question: how can we effectively study English? How can I quickly learn English? What method did you use to learn English? If I click on this website right here, as you can see, how do we study English effectively? If you look down below, you'll notice that there are multiple answers. The next step is for you to read these articles and then copy this one. But remember not to replicate other people's work word for word because that is plagiarism. We're not going to do this. Instead, I'd like you to acquire some ideas by looking at how other people have written their answers. Now go to google.com and enter in a keyword, which in this case is Google Docs. Basically, we're going to copy the answers and put them into this document, after which we'll submit them and get paid on several websites. So to continue, I'd like you to return to Quora and then click on several links. Take a look at this post and then this post, for example. You can find a variety of responses to the question, how can I learn English quickly? Sachin Kumar has written an excellent piece. This is an excellent article. They can teach you something. Simply copy the post and return to the Google Docs and paste it directly there. But keep in mind what we are doing here. You won't be able to imitate exactly what other people are doing because they won't accept your articles because you copy the same exact information. Quora is an excellent resource for finding answers. You may simply collect ideas from other people's responses, copy and paste them into a Google document, and then use the area right here to have voice typing compose the articles for you. Using these particular techniques, you can earn and make a lot of money online. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.